Hi, welcome back. This is Marvin signing in, and welcome to Food Rhino. It's Monday, let's get casual, shall we? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a blueberry banana oatmeal pancake with spinach. And here in front of me are the ingredients. We need 2 cups of spinach, 2 cups of oatmeal, 2 cups of flour or wheat flour, a cup of blueberry, 2 eggs, 2 bananas, plant-based milk, honey, salt, and a lemon zest. And to those of you who doesn't have a blender back home, as I will be using blender for this recipe, feel free to use a bowl and a whisk, and ensure to mash the banana first into the bowl, followed by the eggs, and then a finely chopped spinach, and so on and so forth. And if you prefer a gluten-free pancake, feel free to take this one out on the list: flour, 1 egg, and 1 banana. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it. And to start with, let's throw everything, all the ingredients, into the blender except for our blueberry. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're new to this channel, consider it subscribe, and to those of you who keep watching my video, thank you so much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that bell icon down below so you get notified once I upload a new video. And if you have any questions, suggestions, please leave the comments down below. And once again, this is Marvin signing out. Basta i-promote mo ang channel ko.